Hey guys, this is Jeremy with PerfectPortraitPicture.com, baby. I'm getting back to you guys tonight because I have some good news. I'm driving illegally, first of all. I'm parking right now, that way I don't wreck. Anyways, I got some really good news, guys. I came up with some ideas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a webinar, and what it's going to be is every week, probably Thursday or Saturday, I'm going to set up a video to where we can all talk to each other individually while I'm teaching you guys certain subjects about art. I got so many ideas. We're gonna have some fun, but it's gonna be a subscribable webinar. But aside from that, for those regular members that can't afford to subscribe, I'm gonna have a video stash, I guess you could call it. Matter of fact, that's what I'll call it in the website, that way you know. Video stash. That's going to be some videos of me showing you how to draw other stuff too, just not a live webinar. I can't wait till I get traffic to the site and I'm actually talking to my people. Look guys, I can't wait to meet you guys. You're my life. I literally am in a fight in my marriage right now because I spend too much time on the computer because I'm trying to reach out and touch my traffic right now. Anyways, I got a lot of ideas. I'm going to have a subscribe page, like I said, about $39, $40 a month. It's going to cover everything, one-on-one tutoring. What it is, you'll have a slot once a week. If you need it, you can use it. You'll get a 1-hour session with me showing you anything you want to know, or if you don't know what you want to know, I'll pick something. And then we're going to have, exercises, all different kinds of stuff, guys. So don't look at my website now and then feel discouraged or like, whoa, this dude sucks. Because I'm telling you, I'm just starting it out. It's going to be awesome. So hang tight, guys. Good to see you again. Jeremy Steven, PerfectPortraitPicture.com, baby. We'll see you again. God bless.